Laurel Ryan, Program Director with 108 Contemporary, and I'm going to show you what's in our 108 Holiday Embroidery Kit. In each kit, you'll find a project card with examples of the finished embroidery patterns, our suggestions on where to use 3 different types of stitches, and on the back, about this incredible exhibition featuring Oklahoma artists and an ingredients list, so to speak, and a QR code for not just this video, but an entire playlist from start to finish on how to open your hoop, how to finish, and how to do the turkey work stitch, which is pretty fun, and also other stitches. Anyway, you'll also find some felt backing to finish your hoops. I gotta put one on one of these, you know? You'll find a hoop. Comes in 2 pieces. These are your basic bamboo hoop. You'll find 3 different patterns designed by our gallery coordinator, Han Din, a snowman, a snowflake, and some candy canes. So you can choose any of those patterns to transfer on your blue fabric. This fabric does have a little bit of stretch to it, so I recommend a steam iron, kind of a medium temperature. I'm not going to do that because I'm impatient, but if you don't want to wait for your fabric to stretch on your hoop, then you can just go ahead and iron it. Also, you will find your embroidery floss, DMC brand cotton embroidery floss in white, and a seam ripper, which can save a lot of tears, as well as a pin and a crewel needle. The difference between a crewel needle and your average embroidery needle is that crewel, C-R-E-W-E-L, is a kind of embroidery that involves using ribbon. So the eye hole is a little longer than your average embroidery needle. So if you want to use all 6 strands of your embroidery floss, you can. Last but not least, the needle threader. Some people can get that embroidery floss right into the eye of the needle first time. Not me. So I enjoy having a threader. Also, if you have a pencil to transfer your pattern, scissors, preferably made for snipping thread, or some snips, one of my favorite tools, those will help you get started on your pattern and continue your pattern. You'll also really need those scissors to make the fuzzy part of your turkey work, which we'll talk about in another video. So, stick around and I'll show you how to use a storage container and your phone to make a light box for pattern transfer. See you in the next one.